Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today I am going to do some turmeric face mask for my face at home. So first I have a glass bowl. Second, I have my turmeric powder, and this turmeric powder, I bought this at the West Indies store. You can get them at the supermarket, any local grocery store. You can get these turmeric to buy. Also, you can see the amount that I'm putting in my container. I don't have a spoon, so I'm not measuring anything. I'm just using my description to see the amount that I'm putting. Now I am adding some honey from Costco. This is something that I'm adding to my face mask, you guys, and make sure that I have the amount of ingredients that I want in my face mask. So today I am using 4 products, which is the turmeric, the honey. You can get these honey at Costco to buy, and I'm also going to use a face wash that I have also. This one is from Elizabeth Grant, so I am also putting that into my DNY face mask to make sure that I use it to help mix out the mixture. If you don't want to use all these things, you can just get some turmeric, put it on a rag, and then put the face wash on it and use it to scrub your face. It works the same way. Now I am putting half a lemon in my mixture, and remember guys, I didn't take the seed out of this because I forgot. So whenever you're doing a face mask, make sure you take the seeds out of the lemon. So I'm putting half a lemon in my face mask today, and then I am going to make sure that I mix my face mask very well. Make sure I like it to be really creamy, not dry, but really liquidy and creamy. So you can see I am mixing it with a spoon, and I'm going to show you the consistency of the mask that I am mixing today for my face. And after you finish, if you have any leftover of face mask, you can see that liquid is just really nice. Make sure guys that you also put it in a smaller container and store it in your refrigerator. So honey, today you guys, honey have anti-inflammatory, also it have oxidant, and it also have good for bacterial. Also the turmeric also have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. Turmeric is very good, you guys, also. And then the lemon is also have vitamin C in it, which is very good. So today, after I finish mix my face mask, I'm going to use this here. I picked this up at Walmart. That's because this scrub is so big, you guys. I have to cut it in two to make sure that I use it to apply the mask to my face. The only thing that I also forgot was to wet this thing because it's very hard. So I have to be gentle on my face while I'm using this scrub to put the face mask on my face. And after you finish, you can wash this out and make sure you put it away to dry. The other thing is that you can see I have on a gloves because turmeric is something that is stained and you don't want it to really mess up your hand or your finger. And also when you're doing a face mask like this, make sure you guys you get an old shirt, something that you're not wearing every day to apply this mask, because you know turmeric is something that is stained, and not just stained, but they have this yellowish color to it, and that's why I make sure that I wear gloves with it while I'm using it. And I'm also applying the turmeric to my hands and neck. So anything that I use on my face, and as long as it can use underneath my neck, I always try to use it underneath my neck also. So I'm still using this scrub to make sure that this mask go every inches of my face except for my eyes now, you guys. So you can see I'm still using this mask all over my face. If you have a brush and you want to apply it with a brush, you can, but as for me, I choose not to. I choose to use the scrub at Walmart, and they are affordable in Walmart stores. So, and they are very big, so once you buy it, you don't have to use. You can even cut this in four. If you think, you know, the piece that I'm using is very big, you can cut it into four to use it. It will last, but just make sure after you finish, you wash it out really good and put it away, and you can reuse it again. So you can see I almost finished applying the mask, so I'm gonna leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I am going to wash off this mask off my face, you guys. So after it dry, I go to the bathroom and I wash the mask. Now this is my face without the mask after washing off the mask of my face, and you can see my face have this really brightish looking color. So now today I am going to use the Palmer Cocoa Butter with some vitamin E on my face as a moisturizer. I love vitamin E, but the vitamin E, they are very thick, so you have to just use a small amount. As for me, I did use a good amount. When I'm putting it in my hand, as I said, I just put things. I don't really like measure everything that I'm using. So then I am going to, you can see the amount is very thick, so it's not really runny, and then I am going to add some of this Palmer Cocoa Butter Moisturizing Softer Body Oil that I use on my skin. I also add this to my Vaseline for my skin. It do moisturize the skin, and I'm warming my hand together. And after warming my hand, now I am going to apply this moisturizer to my face. And you can see I am taking my time applying it to my forehead, my face, and also over my eyes. Don't let this stuff catch in your eyes, you guys. And because the nails that I have on, I take my time to go underneath my eyes because I don't want to really stick myself in my eyes with this, my nails. So I also make sure that I do apply this product underneath my neck. As I said, anything that I use on my face, I try to apply it come down to my neck, and I'm just taking my finger and take time moisturizing my face like that, you guys. My face look really this product that I am using right now, and you can see, you guys, I'm just taking my time. My face look glowy. It look really nice with this product. As for the turmeric face mask, you can use it 3 times for the week. If you want to use it every day, you can. Also, whatever left over, I make sure that I put it in my refrigerator, you guys. So that's what I am doing with this face mask at this moment, you guys. So after I finish, I take my time and I make sure that the moisturizer cover every inch of my face. You can see me there with my hand going, trying to make sure that everything, and then I use the back of my hand. I make sure that I don't put pressure on my face, and I just take my time with the back of my hand and massage my face, go back. Also, you can see I'm doing my neck also with this oil that I mix together. And as I said, I'm using castor oil on my face, but I also use this in the day, and then I use the castor oil at night, which is really helping me. I can see a difference in my skin, you know, since I started to use these things. And this is how my face look after it. I do use the turmeric face mask and the moisturizer that I mixed together. You can see the brightness on my face. So I want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I see you soon.